What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here today. Today is Friday, man. I made a whole other video, but I'm about to redo it because I want y'all to really understand how serious I am with this giveaway. And I'm telling y'all, we are so close to selling out, like so close. Last time I checked, we had about 80 keychains in total all together with the hats combined. So please understand, you already know if it's under 100, we damn near there to sell out. We can sell out today, literally Friday. That's why I'm making this video, to hurry up and upload it for y'all to get an understanding of where we at and how it's going to go down. So like I said, if you tuned in watching this video, you already locked and loaded, grab you another keychain or two and secure your spot and get up in there, because I'm telling you, tomorrow we could go live. I would love to do it today, but if we honestly sold out today, I would sell out today, do the numbers tonight, so tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening, we can go live and find the winner for the truck. But like I said, I need everybody to get in. If you haven't already, go ahead and copy you a SLIDN keychain, a SLIDN not HIDN keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, a red Kicks by Dre cap. Either of those 4 products on Built by Dre at Big Cartel is going to enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We're giving away the 2015 Chevy Silverado paired together with the 2019 ROADGLIDE that's at the Powder Coat shop right now. So right now, today, I'm about to get dressed, head to LA, load up, go get that frame, bring it back here, and get the assembling everything we need to assemble. And that's the main thing where I'm trying to get y'all to understand. I'm trying to give it away to y'all. I just need y'all to get in, but I understand how it is. A lot of people are holding back because the bike isn't 100% complete, and I definitely understand that. But my thing is, have the vision for your boy, man. Y'all know Dre done, I ain't done a million bikes, but I done enough bikes for y'all to get the vision of how we have these bikes coming along. That 2015 right there, this red one used to look just like that. But y'all see how this one is? We're about to bust that one down. That's going to be given away next after the truck and the bike. We're going to have that paired together with something I'm not sure yet. But stay tuned, man. We're going to have y'all enter and win that joint real soon on the website, man. So understand that. So damn crazy. Never had this car reversed. Now it's reversed. We got some damn water. Something leaking. So when I look under, it goes back to that damn water pump. It's never stopped, man. Problems just keep getting worse. We got to get the Camaro on the way. Today, we're about to use this WD-40 because I'm telling y'all, look at this right here. This is what I can't deal with. All that noise, squeaking and stuff. But for the people who see me pick it up from Copart, look how much cleaner this car is, y'all. Inside is immaculate. Everything is there, looking good, dude. Literally looking good. Original, everything. That's why I got it, and that's why I love it. But we about to go ahead, hit this door, give it some grease, because this is sick right here. All this extra noise it's making. But yeah, I'm trying to go over all this stuff, man, because it is looking crazy. But yeah, we got the motor took apart. We're gonna get back to that. Oh, I got it open. Let me show y'all. I forgot I even opened it. Oh, I need to take my scanner too. I always want to keep the scanner while we driving, man. You never know what could happen. Not gonna lie to y'all, this is my favorite tool of the day, just cause it's just blowing everything out. I know my neighbors don't like it, but I ain't tripping. We gotta keep our stuff clean. Be so much little trash, just rocks and dirt. Right, all these damn leaves is finally gone. Yes, sir. So it's bright and sunny today, man. We got the sun out looking good. We about to get the shop. Oh, I said the shop. We about to get the garage cleared up, man. So we got the red 2015. Like I said, I got the last 2 parts. I'm going to try to assemble this thing. I would do it today, but it's going to have to be later in the day because I'm about to head to LA to get that 2019 done. And then this zone, I'm going to break this down. So Monday, I can drop this frame off to the powder coat. So my goal is today and tomorrow is to get this thing fired up running. So that way I know everything is good to go so we can bust it down and go from there. So that's the game plan for all 3 of these bikes, man. We got it coming along real soon. I'm going to update y'all on the Copart Camaro real soon. For the ones who don't know, I got this from Copart with 60,000 miles, 2002 Z28. I have 3 of these, even though it's a Trans Am, but out of all 3 of these, that's the best one, and it showed me only because the mileage on that thing. So we're going to update y'all on that real soon. I've been trying to get everything going with all of these. That's why I moved the silver SS back in the garage. So we got the motor on the stand. We're about to clean this motor up and get it going. So stay tuned for that, man. I've been having so much going on. So, still look complete, but it's not. We got to go ahead and lift this up. Once we get that piece off the back, we're going to have it coming along, though. I took a lot of stuff apart to move it to close the hood. But we're about to get this thing on the way. This is about to be one of the daily drivers. So we could put that thing inside the paint shop. Then we can start building our race car. So that's what we doing, man. Real soon, we're going to be getting to it. Stay tuned, though, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got to clean up the truck, then we are on the way. Yes, sir. So that's a wrap for today's video, man. Like I said, I'm about to go ahead and get in the truck and head to LA, drop these shoes off, get to that rim shop and try to catch them and get everything else on the way for the giveaway. But like I said, I'm trying to go live tomorrow. We could sell out. We are literally less than 80 spots left on all the keychains and hats, man. So just know, if you are in the winning, you got a spot locked in. But for the spots that's left, let's try to get into winning, man, because I'm telling y'all, it could literally be yours tomorrow. For real, for real. But appreciate y'all for watching, man. We sliding, not hiding.